crazy. This ponytail, my hair has been sweated and more sweat, and it's nasty in here, and like it's getting a little bit like a little frizzy. So what I'm going to do today is show you guys how I diffuse my hair. So we're going to wash this mess, and then I'm going to show you what I do to make it all voluminous and big. So let's get into the video. I just finished washing my hair and shampooing it. Sorry. I just finished washing my hair and conditioning it. So I continue to use my Deva Curl One Condition and No Poo. This is my go-to shampoo and conditioner. I love this stuff. I love it so much that I even use the One Condition as a leave-in instead of, they do have a leave-in, but I kind of like this one better because I feel like it has more slip. So now I'm going to take my clip out, and then y'all see how I kind of have like a little part here and I have it going forward. Well, all of this, I'm going to put the product in this way and let it dry this way. So I like to move this out the way. I like to do it in sections as well. So I'm going to take this part, and then I'm just going to twist this part and butterfly clip it out of my way. Good. So I'm doing my same thing, except for this time I'm also going to finger coil some of these curls in the front so that it's more defined. Yeah. And the good thing about this Pillow Soft Curls too, it is like so slippery, so it just makes it easier to apply the product, and you don't need that much. And also too, it lasts a really long time. Like, this bottle looks pretty empty, but you don't really need that much, so it's been lasting me like a while. Because when I first started this video, I was like, I'm gonna have enough. But then I forgot, like, you don't need that much. And a little goes a long way. So, I'm Gucci. Alright, so then I'm going to spray. I'm going to comb. And then I'm going to finger coil before I scrunch. So you want to go in the direction that your curls want to curl. And now that I look like a wet dog, it is time to diffuse. So let's go. So for my diffuser, I have a Deva Curl dryer. It also came with a diffuser piece, but I like to use this detachable iron one. I got it from Sally's. It was like $10, and it actually works very well. So it works on any blow dryer really. So I just take this piece and then I put it on. So the trick to diffusing is that it has different like settings on your blow dryer. So I put mine on high and cold air. So if you have a little button, you can press it, but mine actually has like a cold temperature. So I put it on cold, and then I diffuse my hair all cold air. And then I like to take this shine spray, and then I like to just spray it on my hair to help with the volume and the shine. So after I spray, I take my diffuser, I put it on high, and I put it on cold air, and then I like to start with my hair flipped upside down. So let's get into it. guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I finish diffusing it and it's 100% dry. It's a lot bigger and fluffier, which I really like. So sometimes what I have to do is I'll take a pick and pick it to make it bigger. And then if my curls got too clumped together, then I'll separate them if I need to. But this time I didn't have to. So these are my results. And I actually really love the way it turned out this time. My curls are like super defined, like on the inside and on top. And my hair is like really big, which I really love, especially because when my hair is wet, I look like a wet dog. So like now I feel like I'm alive, like I have like a lion's mane, and it's great. But if you guys like the way my hair turned out, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. Like, let me know what you're thinking. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!